Hi guys, welcome back to Nintendo Minutes. We have something very cool
What is
today.
it? Oh, yes.
Yay! We have the Nintendo Switch OLED model.
Yeah.
We're so excited about this and we're so excited to unbox it for you guys
shall.
today. Yeah, so let's take a look at the box, yeah? What is on this beautiful box? So first of all, it's very small.
But it's hefty too.
But it's really heavy,
It's got some heft to it.
got
There's
some weight.
stuff in there.
There is, but I like how it's a little bit like of a smaller packaging
Right.
overall, and
Very
it looks really
compact.
nice.
Yeah.
Very, very excited. On the
And
back
then-
of the box.
You can't see that now, can you?
I can't.
We have to
Can
work
you
together.
work
No,
together?
I can't see either. What am I, a giraffe? It says 7-inch OLED screen.
Yes.
64
Yes.
gigabyte system memory. These are all new things.
These are new things, yes.
Dock with LAN port, we're gonna check that out.
Yep.
And then the adjustable stand. And then
Yes.
you can kind of see all of that in action here, especially on tabletop mode. You can get a look at that
The
stand.
new stand looks really nice.
But we're gonna look at that very closely once we get this open.
Yeah.
Do it.
Should I open it?
Yeah.
Where's the place to? Oh, it's
Right
over
there.
here. Okay, I need to get this direction right. You know,
No sticker.
the secrets of an unboxer. Open from the back here.
Okay. Oh, it's
Oh,
one
here
of
we go,
these.
here we go,
It's
here we
one
go.
of
Ready,
these,
ready, ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Da, 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 da. Ooh!
that.
So you have the white Joy-Con controllers right here on top, nicely displayed. And of course, the system is right here as well. So I'll just take this
Nice.
out. You can hold this. Can
All
you
right.
hold on to this? There you go.
I'll just keep that there for now.
Very
Let's
nice.
get everything out.
I think we should take the dock out next, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's pretty awesome. The white dock. I noticed
good.
something immediately, which is,
Oh,
we'll show it later, but these little bezels here, the edges here are like now like rounded. It's very
Okay.
classy. It's very nice. We'll take a closer look.
and then we have
And
a
then
lot
we
of
have-
cables, of course.
All the things.
Right.
Cables.
All the things that you need.
Power cable.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
whoa,
no,
stuff
dropping
is flying, it's everywhere. It's okay. We'll just set that aside for now.
Joy-Con,
Joy-Con
grip.
yes.
Looks the same, I think.
Yeah?
Yes.
Good.
It's nice, fresh, and new, though.
All right, let's
Not all
get in.
covered in your nasty hand.
Just wait, I'm gonna
Poo.
be doing a sniff test before too long.
Okay, I'm gonna
right.
put this
Yeah,
aside
we'll
here.
set that aside. Good. All right, so
Now
this
we
is
have
where
the other
the
things.
fun really begins. I will
Yes.
give that to you, and I'll do the Joy-Con.
Are you really gonna do a sniff
I
test?
think you should do it this time.
It smells good.
It smells great, yeah. All right.
Oh my gosh,
Well-
this screen is just
Well,
beautiful.
that's what we all want to know about. So please tell us.
I'll take it out very gently here, and not try to touch it. Get my fingerprints on it. Yeah, you can. I hope you can see it on camera, but it's really cool when you look at it in person. How wide
It just goes all the way to
the edge.
To the edge.
Yeah,
Right. It really does.
and it just feels so different. Like,
Yeah.
you know, and we don't even have anything playing on it, but like
Yeah.
you can just tell that it's going to be incredible.
Yeah, I mean, we're not going to be powering it on, but the whole idea with OLED is it's bright. Get
Yes,
that pop,
very,
the colors.
very bright. The
Whoa.
colors, yeah, it should be really cool. And I actually play the bulk of my Nintendo Switch games in handheld mode, so
Oh.
I'm very excited.
Krista, fun fact.
Fun facts, guys.
Delightful. All right, let's
Would you
put
like
the
to
Joy-Con.
put the Joy-Con? I'm
But
gonna
I need
hold
to
it
do
very gently
But I
for
need
you.
to do it just right. I need silence, please. Shh. I can't get it. Wait. Get on there. All right.
Oh, that was good.
It was a little hairy
It's a
for a
little
moment,
tense.
but I got.
I felt the force of which you, of how you put it. Ooh, this is
contrast
so
though.
nice.
That's very nice.
All right, here we
Yeah.
go.
That
Yeah,
looks
this
great.
is really, really, really beautiful.
Yeah.
This is like a really nice, like matte. It's not. I feel like this white is not even like a pure white. There's a bit of like a. I don't know. It's like a very soft white, I would say.
You've been paint shopping recently?
Not eggshell. Not what other
I
whites
don't-
are there.
Yeah. It looks nice. That's my evaluation.
It looked good.
Right.
And it just contrasts very nicely with like the black
Mm-hmm.
buttons and things like
Yeah.
that.
What about some other little details here? You know,
Yeah,
I think
why don't
there's-
you take
you know,
that?
there's just little things, you know, like the power button is sort of a different shape.
Yep.
Right. Now obviously,
we
the
have
size of it is pretty similar
Yep.
to the original model. But let's look at this kickstand here. So, you know, the original kickstand was just kind of
Just
this
one little
thing on the side, but this is the whole thing. And
the adjustable part of it is cool.
you feel a good amount of resistance no matter where it's at. So it's just as comfortable like that, or if you want to go all the way. So depending on how you're playing, you can get the right angle, and it's very stable because it's so wide.
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
just look, it's not going anywhere.
Shake that table, it's fine.
Don't do that.
Real-time adjustments.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it does feel really like the way that you can adjust it. It feels like it's just gonna hold wherever you placed it. It's gonna hold it there.
Right.
And this is
Extremely
great.
solid, yeah.
Especially nice when you're playing with somebody else. Like we used to play on when we were traveling. We used to play on the airplane a lot.
And the screen is bigger, so it's going to be easier
so
for
nice.
two people to see. And also, back here, you have, as before, this is right where the micro SD card goes. The Nintendo Switch logo is kind of in a different spot. It's a different size. So some very subtle refinements, changes. Yes, but you can definitely tell that it's new and different.
Yeah. All right, we'll put this one aside for just a second here, and we're just gonna look at the new dock.
Oh, and also you don't see it, but it's got the 64 gigabytes of the memory.
Right,
so
right. It's inside.
More games.
More games.
Yes.
Okay, so here is the new. Oh my God, this is so
nice.
beautiful. It just feels really nice.
Right.
Like, I love the rounded edges. I think that's so classy.
And then also, speaking of rounded, this is
where
there's,
the cable
there's kind of the little spot where the cable
Yeah.
goes. This is rounded.
Yeah.
And then let's open this up. And this, this piece just comes off now.
That's good.
So
yeah.
if you're like,
just
well,
really get in there with your cable management.
Yeah, I'm going in and out of these cables a lot. You can just take it
it
off,
off,
which is
yeah.
fine. And then, you can see right there. There is
the
the
LAN.
built-in LAN. I always play with a LAN.
Wired.
Because I'm that guy.
You need to be that person.
No, that's great to play.
Yeah.
It's great to have for, if you're playing online games or
nice and stable.
game downloads. I like this little pattern that's in here
it's
as well.
inside
That looks very
inside
nice.
of that part as well.
Wow.
And then of course the USB is on the side. But even like this part, see, is like a little bit rounded too.
Right. You're really into this rounded edge.
It just makes it look so beautiful. Like that's good design, man.
So let's put that back on so you can see all of that. No.
You got it?
And then we can do a proper, I'll let you do that.
Okay, let's see if I can do it
Put it
without
in.
messing it up.
Wow. Nice.
Wow. I would love to see this in my living room. It's so nice. Matches with my decor for sure.
Well, maybe you can on
October 8th.
8th.
On October 8th, I will be putting this in my living room.
The same day that Metroid Dread comes out. So
yeah.
we've already got a great new game to play on.
Yeah, and that game is going to look fantastic on the OLED screen, I think, because it has
contrast.
such a big contrast.
The brightness, the darkness.
Ooh, so
love that.
excited. So hope you guys go and check it out. And we're going to wrap it up for today. And remember,
Nintendo Minute is never a minute.
we will see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.